Hi, my name is Savarish,
Hi, my name is Hirsch.
and we're from Team DHB.
This is our LNAR project.
Our goal is to create a gaming application using Alan AI's voice assistant, which can make playing games more engaging and interactive for gamers.
It should also allow players to have time limits, hints, and be able to ask questions when playing the crossword puzzle.
Here, our script for the Alan AI. To begin with, we have a small little line code that explains the rules to the user if the user asks for it. Towards the bottom, we have a whole conversation script. This allows the users to engage in a really long conversation with the AI if they're bored while they're doing the crossword puzzle. Toward the bottom, we have this really cool translation tool. It allows the user to translate anything they want into a different language. For example, if I say translate hello in Spanish, it says hola. Towards the bottom, we see a couple more interesting features, which is a hint feature and answer feature. The user can also ask the Alan AI for hints and answers. If, for example, if I say, give me a hint for the taste of sugar, it says opposite of sour. We also added an extra mode called the challenge mode. Whenever the user says start the challenge mode, it basically explains the rules, which basically they have no motivation, no ask for answers, no hints, and they have a total of 10 seconds per question. We're still working on integrating a timer with Alan AI. However. We also had this motivation thing where if the user asks for motivation, Alan AI basically reads a bunch of motivational quotes out.
So let's first start off with the CSS code. The CSS code includes of the font family, padding top, padding bottom, the height, the background, the position of the crossword. For example, if it's going to be top, right, bottom, the border radius, and many more. As we move on to the JavaScript, we have included several variables, including the var so answer, which will allow the users to toggle to the answer section and get the answers to the crossword puzzle. We have also added var so tries, where the users can see how many tries it took them to solve the crossword puzzle. As we move on to the bottom, we have also included the JavaScript for the Allen AI, which allows us to include the Ellen AI voice assistant to our game. Lastly, we have also added a cool weather feature where it shows the weather in our game.
This is basically what we developed, the crossword game. On the top, we have Meet Mine Horse's name and enjoy. Towards the bottom, we see a picture that's supposed to be inspirational. You got this. Towards the bottom, we see the actual game. If you click on a small node and you press A, it basically adds a letter onto there with the on-screen keyboard, and you basically just have to fill the whole thing out. On the bottom, you have a toggle answer option and also randomize option, and it basically just creates a whole new system of puzzles. On the bottom, you have a little weather widget just to tell you what the weather is. It's a little cool extra feature. Now, we're going to show you how our Allen AI software works.
Translate a tool to compute to Spanish.
Una herramienta para calcular.
As you can see, it works perfectly.
Give me a hint for the taste of sugar.
Opposite of sour.
As you can see, that also worked perfectly.
Start the challenge.
Okay, welcome to the challenge. Here are the rules. No hints allowed, no asking for answers, and also no motivation. You have a total of 10 seconds per question. Get your timers ready. Your time starts now.
Motivate me.
It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up.
As you can see, our motivation works perfectly. Our dream was to always make a good influence on the world by making a positive, lasting impact on people's lives.
We hope that this crossword puzzle using Ellen AI's voice assistant helps people that aren't familiar with the English language play the game.
Also, we'd also like to add that we only had 3 days to work on it, and we have a bunch of ideas to make this game much better and much more fascinating.